If you want better charts and dashboards that actually tells you a story, hit the subscribe button. Today we are talking about 5 Tableau mistakes and how to fix them. So welcome to my channel, Data Viz Decoded by Raman. So let's get to the first most common mistake in the visualizations. So first one is using too many quick filters. So we all love to use filters one over another, and we lost the track of the number of filters, and it makes the dashboard messy and cluttered. So it slows down the dashboard as well. So try to use the context filter and parameters and dashboard level filters. So it's really easy. You select one filter and it you get the filtered results on the whole dashboard. So try to use the context filters and other options. Second mistake is ignoring extracts versus live. So uh, avoid using live connections if you know you are using a large data sets that causes slowness in your dashboards. So the fix is use the extract as it makes your dashboard performance better and faster. Use the live connection only if it is needed and you need a real-time data. Let's get to the third one. Third one is overcomplicating the calculated fields. So designing a long or messy formula, it will be harder to manage and even nightmare to debug and decode. Fixes use the smaller calculations which are manageable and reusable. So try to think in a modular approach and make your calculations in in a reusable format. Fourth one is ignoring the dashboard performance. You design the dashboard which look really pretty, really good, but it takes forever to load. So it doesn't serve any purpose to the end user. So the fix is just keep a check on your marks and charts, how many number of marks you are using on charts. Do avoid showing all the marks on the chart. So avoid using the huge data points on showing the huge data points on your charts. So try to use extracts as we discussed in the earlier slide and use aggregated data. Reduce the custom image and heavy images as much as possible and the shapes as well. And use the performance recorders available to identify all which component is causing the slowness. So we have it is available in Tableau dashboard and the server and the web versions as well. Fifth one is poor dashboard design. So if your design itself is cluttered and it will surely gonna confuse the end users. So try to think as the audience and keep your uh, dashboard clean and try to use a consistent template and use the colors sparingly with the purpose. And each color should have a purpose and try to maintain that consistency throughout your charts and try to group the related charts together and ensure that user can clearly understand the story of the dashboard within 5 seconds of on looking at. So yeah, so that's all for this one. If you like this video, please tell me in the comments and subscribe to my channel and do share it with your fellow analysts.